Hello students, in today's video we are going to study about pulse. What is pulse? What is a pulse rate? What information can be derived from the pulse rate and how do we measure it? Now as we all know, function of the heart is to pump blood. So look at this figure. This is a figure of heart. Now when the left ventricle contracts, the blood is pumped forcefully into the aorta. Aorta is the largest artery of the body. Now branches of aorta supply blood to each and every tissue of the body. Now the blood here is pumped forcefully. The blood is pumped forcefully out of the heart, and as it flows, it stretches the wall of artery and moves in the forward direction. Now the stretch or the distension in the artery can be detected, and that stretch or distension is known as the pulse. So the pulse can be defined as a wave of distension and elongation felt in the artery wall due to the contraction of left ventricle. Now the number of pulses per minute corresponds to the number of times the left ventricle contracts and pushes the blood into the aorta. So the pulse rate determines the heart rate. And the normal pulse rate or the normal heart rate at rest is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Now the pulse rate or the heart rate below 60 beats per minute is known as bradycardia. That is a slow heart rate, and pulse rate or the heart rate more than 100 beats per minute is known as tachycardia. That is the fast heart rate. Now the pulse rate gives us information about the heart rate. Then it gives us information about the regularity of heart rate. That is, if the intervals between the two beats are equal or unequal. It also tells us about the strength of the beat. Now let's understand how the pulse is measured. Now the easiest way to determine pulse is to place our index finger and the middle finger on one of the superficial arteries like the radial artery in the wrist or the carotid artery in the neck. So look at this figure. This is the radial artery. Now gently press the radial artery with the fingers against the wrist bone. Now the stretch or wave of distension and elongation in the arterial wall is detected by these two fingers and is known as the pulse. So in this way, number of pulses per minute are determined, and pulse rate indicates the health of the heart. So this is all about the pulse and its measurement. If you find the video useful, kindly like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching this video.